Hi, Booty here, founder of Contracko. We'll talk about categories. So categories can be used to organize contracts and to make them more easily findable. For example, this is a contract that I've created to represent a Spotify subscription. You'll see that it runs from the beginning of October to the end of October. It renews in periods of 1 month and it's auto-renewing. To give notice, since it's an implicit agreement, it's just a software subscription, we'll give notice 1 day before the end of the notice date. Basically, you go in and you cancel your subscription. Okay, so what category fits this? Well, software subscription would. If you had to create it from scratch, you can do that right here in the contract editor, and then when you save, it'll be persisted. Great, you'll see it appear here on the contract viewer. Now on the categories page, you could see your category appear. You can change it. So for example, software subscriptions, and this will be persisted on the contract, but you can also delete the category. And doing this won't remove the associated contract. Instead, it's simply going to set category to null for that particular contract. So I'm just removing this. You can also create standalone categories here, which are going to show up. So for example, if I say sub, I can go back to the Spotify contract and select sub, save it, and the link will have been made. And in the category overview, you can filter. So for example, for the name sub, we don't have multiple, but it would filter for it, as well as for the created at date range. So you might select more recently created categories. This is categories in a nutshell.